In this video, I'm going to teach you how to repair your screen. If you get a little hole onto your screen, you're going to want to follow this. If there's a huge gash, then there's basically no helping you. What you're going to do is have a scissor, some duct tape, and a clean screen, of course, and some nail polish. You can find the nail polish in the shop in the tool area to the left of the monitor cabinet under in a little drawer called Tiny Tools. Once you have those, you're going to open up the nail polish and you're going to paint around on both sides the little hole. Let that dry. After that, you're going to take 2 pieces of duct tape, one on either side, that's a little larger than the hole. You do not need to have a lot of duct tape. And that's how you repair a screen.